Welcome back, students of 6th class. This is Asif from Modern International School, Hiswa. Chapter number 5, fractions, and exercise 5A, 5F. Sorry. Before solving questions from exercise 5F, I would like to share the two subtopics, and the topic is subtraction of like fractions. That means how to subtract like fractions. Okay. It's very simple. Suppose two like fractions are given, then write denominator as it is, then write numerator as it is, and then subtract their values. Okay. Now we will discuss more while solving the like subtraction, how to subtract the like subtraction. And the second topic is subtraction of unlike fractions, how to subtract unlike fractions if the given fractions, if the fractions are given. Okay, now all these topics we are going to understand from the exercise questions. Okay, now let's see first questions of exercise 5A is question number 3. Okay, have a look. 4 3 by 7 minus 2 4 by 7, and this question says find the difference. Now first we have to change all this mixed fraction into improper. Okay, now here multiply 7 4 ja 28 plus 3 31st divided by 7. Now this is minus, once again this 7 2 ja 14 plus 4 18 by 17. Now have a look, friends. All these fractions, all these mixed fractions turn into the like fractions. Now I am already talking about how to subtract like fractions. So these two fractions are like fractions. Then in order to subtracting these two fractions, first draw the line, write denominator, write the single denominator, and write numerator as it is, means difference of their numerators. Here is 31st, write as it is 31st, difference. Here is 18, write as it is. That means while solving the like fractions or adding the two or more like fractions or subtracting the two or more like fractions, then write the single denominator in the position of denominator, then write as it is of their numerators, then subtract or add. Okay, now this is 31st minus 18 becomes, this is 11 3 and this is 113. Okay, this is 13 divided by 7. So this is the improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is greater than denominator. This is why it's called the improper fraction. This is your answer. Or we can change this fraction into mixed fraction as 7 as it is. This is 7 1 ja and 7 6, because 7 1 ja 7 plus 6 13. Okay, this is your mixed fraction. I hope you will understand. Now friends, see the next question number 9. Now here have a look, friends. Here the denominator and denominator are different, means after changing this mixed fraction into improper, and then we will get the unlike fractions. Then how to difference of two unlike fractions? So keep watching very carefully. Now see, first of all we have to change this mixed fraction into improper. Then we have to multiply 10 multiplied by 2, 20 plus 3 23 divided by 10 as it is. Here is the minus, then 15 1 15 plus 7 22 divided by 15. Now see, friends, this became unlike fractions. Why unlike fractions? Because different denominators. Fractions having different denominators are known as unlike fractions. Now in order to find the value of this unlike fractions, then first draw the line or line segment. Okay, this is the part of line. Then take the LCM of 10 and 15. If you take the LCM of 10 and 15, becomes 30 is your LCM. Okay, now find and check, is it 30 or not? Here 30 is LCM. Okay, then divide 30 this denominator first, then whatever we get the question, multiply with 23, then we can proceed same as this. Okay, now first divide this 30 by 10. 10 3 ja 30. Okay, 3. And 3 multiply by 23. 3 multiply by 23. 23 multiply by 3. 3 3 9 and 6 69. Okay. Now similarly here is the minus. Then divide this 30 by this 15. 15 2 ja 30. Okay. Now this is 2. 2 multiply by 22. 22 multiply by 2 44. Okay. Now here 69 minus 44, this is 5 and this is 2, 25. 25 here friends, 25 divided by 30. Now see friends, both the numbers in 25 and 30 will get cancelled by 5 if you remember the tables of 5. Then 5 6 ja and 5 5 ja. Okay, here 5 by 6, this is your answer. So what types of fraction it is friends? Yes, this is this is proper fraction. This is proper fraction. Okay, why proper? Because denominator is greater than its numerator. Denominator means downwards is greater than upwards, and this fraction cannot be changed into mixed fraction, remember. And the value of this fraction, yes, the value of this fraction is, this is 5 by 6. This is your answer. Now see the next question. Friend, this is another question, question number 12. This is the last question. 10 minus 6 3 by 8. But what types of fraction it is? Yes, if here is the 1 is hidden friends, here is the 10 but 1 is here hidden. No, this is also improper, unlike fraction. First we have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 8 6 48 plus 3, this is 1, this is 5. 51 divided by 8. Okay, now here the 1 is hidden. Okay, this is why it is 1. Now this is also unlike fractions. Now take the LCM 1 and 8. 8 is the LCM, divide 8 by 1. 8 8 multiply by 10, this is 80. Here is the minus, minus 8 divided by 8, 1 1 multiply by 51, this is 51. Now 8 minus 51, subtract 8 minus 51. Here is the 10 10 minus 1 9, this is 7 7 minus 5, this is 2 29. So 29 by 8, this is also improper fraction. Now change into mixed fraction. Now 29 is divided by 8, this is 8 3 ja 8 4 ja 8 3 ja 24, this is 5. So this is 8 as it is, so this 5 is up and this 3 is left side. This is your final answer. I hope you will understand. Now your friends, your homework is question number 1 to 12. Okay, this is your homework of exercise 5B. I hope you will understand and you will be able to solve all the questions. No problem at all. Have a nice day.